음. Mm. Yep. I mean, I had a feeling that this was going to happen. Just the question was, when was it going to happen? I mean, that was always the question. When was the other shoe was going to drop? Because Nvidia was in supply last night. Nvidia was in supply last night, so it was always, when will it happen? And uh, I think I might be on the wrong side of gold. I think I might be on the wrong side of her. Man, okay. Hold on, guys. Come on, boo. Come on. I don't know why you in here messing with me. Man, gold just broke my heart today, man. She really did. She really did, man. She broke my heart. I don't know. I really don't even know why that had to happen. So I was in on this original pump. I was in on this pump right here, and then it dropped. So my target was at like 44.6. It came all the way back to my break even, and for whatever reason, I decided to be a quote unquote professional fucking trader. I I don't know why. I always choose to decide to be a professional trader when it's against my interest. But I was like, well, let me just put my profit, my stop into profit, because I mean I was up like $1,200. So I put my stop, break even. I walk away from the screen, come back, get stopped out, and that sent me on tilt. And I was like, well, shit, maybe the market wants to go short. So I go short, and it does this shit right here. And then it goes back and hits my target. And I'm like, uh, not only did it hit my target, but it exceeded it by like 2 points. And I'm like, that's kind of like, that's, I don't know, man. I don't know how to feel about that, yo. I really don't. Really don't know how to feel about that. Well, man. So yeah, just like Alfred said, we basically gave up this whole entire move. We talked about this last night. This should be no surprise to anybody, and really shouldn't even be surprised. We just had a big move, no price action. We usually see a big correction. What comes up always comes down the same way. And honestly, I don't think you talking about in gold or in Nasdaq. Shit, if it goes all the way down there with all this momentum coming down like this, this can go all the way back down and take out this low right here. I mean, if the bulls don't step up at around like 495, 450 or something like that, they don't step up in these areas, this is going to go down. Well, with this much momentum to the downside, we all know that this first retest back into this area is going to potentially be a short. I don't know why. Well, I'm listening to the Tradeify's I'm listening to their stream right now. Actually, let me make sure that the one that the one that I don't want to change is Tradeify just gave out another 40%. It seems like they're the ones that they're just giving out discount codes and stuff. They're not playing that game with get free accounts. They're not playing that free account game bullshit. But they are giving out decent gee. Oh, did they? Well, I bought one more 50K growth account from Tradeify for $80. I bought one more. Hmm. Damn, gold. Oh shit. Gold. That was just so dirty. That was so dirty, man. That was so dirty this morning. That was so dirty, man. That was so dirty. Hmm. Man, I don't know. I mean, I don't know, man. I feel like I mean, I feel like is that first target? I mean, I don't know, man. It just seems like sometimes that first target is just sometimes can be very difficult to get hit, and it's not even a lot. That first target is only 63 ticks. It just seems like it always somehow finds a way to fall short of it. I don't know what it is about that first target. I just don't know. Mm. All right, man. Okay. Well, you know, maybe I'm just on the wrong side of gold. I guess I don't know. I might be just on the wrong side of gold. Maybe gold is trying to reverse here. Yeah, maybe it's trying to reverse lower. Okay, well, all right, man. Okay. All right, man. Gold is not giving me no kind of breaks today, man. She's not giving me no breaks. She's just been breaking my heart all morning, man. All morning, just been breaking my freaking heart, man. No breaks. Mm. Man, okay, man. Okay. So apparently I should have just shorted freaking Nasdaq. You know what? Fuck it, man. Like at this point, I really don't even. Just tired of this crap, man. Price action not working or nothing. It's just doing shit. So fuck it. Just shit just going out. All right, let's see if she's gonna pull back now that I'm short. Let's see if my short entry is gonna be the launch pad. You gotta be fucking kidding, man. All right, man. You gotta be kidding, man. You gotta be kidding. You got to be kidding, man. All right. You gotta be kidding, man. Mm. All right, man. Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, shit. Well, we'll see what happens here. Uh, all right, man. All right, all right, all right. I knew it. I knew it. I knew that this was going to happen. It always seems to happen that way, man. It always seems to happen that I can always find the bottom just naturally and short the bottom. But then I kind of, oh my God, that's just fucking. Uh, all right, man. Mm, mm, okay. Uh, Really? Okay. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. It's crazy that I'm just so good at that at times, especially when I'm trading on tilt. I'm really good at finding the bottom and going against it. Mm. I'm not saying that this is the bottom, but every time I short, it likes to freaking bounce for whatever reason. And this shit just jumped up about 30 fucking points. Like, why? 30, 40 points. Yeah, probably. Hmm. Man. Man. I like, dude, I don't get it. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. And lately, I just been having issues with price hitting my damn targets. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta watch out for like Thursdays and stuff because Thursdays seems to be days where the price action does this. I knew it. 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 You know, like the negative P and L math is just so crazy. Like this thing literally went up like maybe 5 points or 15 points, and I was down 1,700, and now I'm only up eight to $300. P and L math is just crazy. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Well. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's in real time. Sometimes when this stuff happens in real time, it's like you know, uh, uh, look at that, man. Look at that. Well. I guess if we get a break of this trend line, I'm gonna have to close this out because it's gonna turn into a bigger loss. If it breaks this trend line. I'm gonna head into this shit. Damn, dude, that's crazy. That is fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. All right. All right, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, dude. That's crazy. Okay. That's crazy. Okay. Mm. Yeah, that's fucking crazy, man. That's crazy. And then the poetic justice. Now the gold trade wants to work out. Man. All right, man. Okay. All right, man. All right. Now the gold trade wants to work out. Now the targets are getting hit after daily loss limit. But I did that to myself. I don't know why I added to this. I guess I should have just took the win. But like I said, I'm kind of already on tilt because of what gold did to me today. I don't know why. I really don't know what it is about the days where it's the last day to get paid out, but the market just seems to have stupid, crazy price action, specifically on on these days. I don't know why. I really don't. Like I really don't, and it's frustrating. It really is. It's just frustrating, man. It's just fucking frustrating. Man. Oh my god. Nah, man, shit don't even fucking matter at this point, man. Uh, hmm. Uh, hmm. Okay. Mm. Nasdaq ain't gonna give me no break neither. Yeah. She ain't gonna give me no break neither. Mm. Okay. Okay. Well, that's it. I mean, shit. I just cycled through all of my accounts and hit daily loss limit on all of them. Uh, mm, mm, yeah. Mm, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what it is about today. I don't know why. That's just so stupid. Yeah. Hmm. I wonder why he felt comfortable saying that shit in somebody else's chat. Wow. I mean, it's kind of gets frustrating, man. It's frustrating. Just frustrating, man. Just frustrating. It's just frustrating. So, you couldn't do this for me in Q before? Hmm. Yeah, it's kind of frustrating at this point, man. It's frustrating at this point. Hmm. She loves a cat that got neutered. All right, man. Today's just been one of those days. I don't know why. Turn into a market god in the damn sim, huh? So, man, I guess. Man, hmm. I mean, it would just be nice if it just does that. I mean, I really don't. It just really would just be nice if it did that. Mm. You said on the 15-minute chart, you've been seeing a 3-bar reversal pattern a lot. Crypto, huh? Nah, I'm not angry, Gangway. I'm just disappointed. Just disappointed. Just disappointed, man. That's it. It's just disappointment. I'm disappointed in my performance. It's just, I don't know. Lately, I just haven't been performing at the expectation that I have for myself. And I know I can't control the markets or nothing, but man, it's just for whatever reason, it's just been difficult. Damn. I get the profits, but for whatever reason, the market is conspiring to do everything in its power to not hit my goddamn targets. And then it reverses. It's like it's always tempting me to commit blasphemy. Like maybe I should even thought about trailing my position. I was like, that's so fucking blasphemous, dude. Because if I start trailing my position, it's gonna hit my target, and then I'm gonna get back in because I feel like I've been cheated. But then if it misses my target by a couple of ticks and goes the opposite goddamn direction for whatever reason, and then it's like, damn, I should have tried. Like, man, the manipulative mental mind games. like this morning, like I really don't know why I felt the need to. I mean, yeah, I was up $1,200 and it did come back down. And I kind of got out at break even and I just kind of went short full port and hit daily loss limit. But I mean, the stupidest thing in the world is like it's like this crazy price action that just comes out of nowhere. We get a big drop on gold, and I'm thinking that man, maybe I should just take the short because maybe I was wrong. This thing pops back up and hits my goddamn target. It's like, god damn. God damn. Why? Why? Why did you need to come back all the way down just to hit this little target and then do this? And I swear it's always on the day when the last day for a payout, man. I just don't freaking understand where this price action comes from. On my payout days. Shit. So I'm just frustrated, man. Just frustrated. Man, I had a perfect, like, dude, it was a perfect entry. And then I said to myself, maybe I should just trail it. But then as soon as I thought, hey, maybe you should trail it, gold does this shit. And I'm like, oh my fucking God. So this is why I'm just so stubborn in with the whole moving my targets and stop crap, because I'm feeling the pain of regret and that shit hurts. I'm feeling the pain of loss and regret. And that shit, man. Mm. Man. Ugh. You know what, Alfred, is not anxiety. It's just the price action itself. Cause I would like it happened Monday and it happened today. It's like, I don't know why. I don't know freaking why. I had a perfect entry on gold. All it had to do was hit my fucking target. That's all it had to do. And then it reverses. And if you trade gold, you know, stuff like this. That's why it's just like my mind is having a hard time wrapping around it. You expect this crap for NQ. And now gold is starting to show these types of tendencies where it just pulls back. And usually when you get a pullback that breaks structure, you can sell that retest and there's a continuation. So I was like, well, maybe that was a break of structure. It pulled back and then it shorted. And then you had these lows right here. So I was like, well, maybe I was wrong. This is gold. So shit is probably breaking down. It's probably breaking down to the 200 EMA or some shit. That's what I was thinking at the moment. And this shit pops the fuck up and hits my target. Like, this is random. I was like, you know what, man? All right, fine. On the payout days, every other day, I'm doing the same shit, getting my targets hit. But on the payout days, it's this fucking bullshit ass price action, man. And it's not the fact that I need the payout. It's just the principle of it. Damn it. It's the principle. Like, damn. So yeah, that's frustrating, man. And I kind of figured that I was going to just trade on tilt today because it's like Why? Like I'm getting these perfect, like literally perfect entries on gold, just trading the structure. And then it does random shit sometimes. So it's like, it's no anxiety. My heart isn't bumping. It's like, this is gold. It does the same shit. And then all of it. Oh man. All right. God. Uh, but yeah, whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever. Okay. So I mean, at this point with this MFF account, I can probably, if I'm perfect for the rest of the time I'm in this account, if I don't blow it off going tilt, I only get like maybe one or two or three payouts because I already got like 10 days. I got 10 days of profitability. So and my only losing days are the payout days. It's like, or yeah, well, I got, this is my second or third payout day, or my third loss in this account, maybe, I think. I don't know. And every other day is perfect. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, so this is my fourth payout days or my fourth loss. I lost that day, but uh this is gonna be a or uh no, that's actually no, that's hold on. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, so yeah, I've only had three losing days, and today is gonna be my fourth. But every other day, it's like, uh so I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. So I have 21 more days. So I can, if I'm perfect for the rest of this time, I can only take two or three payouts in this account now. That's it. And that's so frustrating, man. It is like, it's so frustrating. It really is frustrating because Gold did that random ass shit and hit my damn target anyway, man. So, whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Yeah, what's up, Santiago? Yeah, that's exactly what I expect, gain weight. God damn it. Exactly. I'm following the rules. I traded within structure. It should have just hit my damn target. It should have just hit it. But for whatever reason, had to pull back to break even. And for whatever reason, I put my stop at break even. And it does it anyway. It takes me out and pushes higher. So I keep saying this, but for whatever reason, I just keep like, it's just the days when it just goes like, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I really don't know. Every time I do move my stop and try to be professional, that's when the damn shit does it. Am I doing this purposely? Whatever, man. Every time I do it. And the times when I don't move my stop or anything, that those are the times where I should. I don't man, that's uh, huh. Whatever, man. All I'm saying, gain weight, is if it was going to come up and hit this entry anyway, what was the whole point of pulling back? I mean, obviously, like I said, it's the market, whatever. What was the point of pulling back and doing that? Like, what was the point of that? It wasn't even 8 o'clock. I mean, and that was the crazy thing. So I guess the drop happened at 8 o'clock. But you would think that at 8 o'clock it would finish the move and then drop, or at least that's what I was hoping that it would do. But it didn't do that. So, well, all right. Well, and this is what I'm talking about with these pivot points. They work only sometimes. Like they work, but then my goddamn, sometimes it's like, why did you work here? All right. Well, fine. Fine. Yeah, we're gonna probably see a stop run right here then. We're gonna see a stop run. We're gonna probably touch like 550 or some shit like that if you don't see a rejection here. Yeah, that looks about right. That looks about right. Actually, what I got this. Hmm. Yeah, I know Santiago. It's just frustrating. It's just frustrating. I mean, yeah, it's just frustrating at this point, man. It's just frustrating at this point. Yeah, I'll just do this for like 5 more minutes or something like that, and just call it a day. Just call it a day. Just call it a day. I just don't like it when my performance is. I just find it. I just find it. What's the word I'm looking for? It literally it just sometimes it just kind of blows my mind about like uh, how I can be so consistent and just still make small mistakes that will cost me my daily loss limit. It's just amazing because my daily loss limit is $1,200 and I'm just shooting for 6. So I managed to lose my account drawdown shooting for half of that. And it's not like I'm randomly just getting in at places. I just needed I think I just needed $1,400 or I just needed 8 points, 8 or 9 points or some shit like that. 8 or 9 points, I think. Forgot. I just needed 8 or 9 points and I just would have got it. And that's I mean we just needed 8 or 9 points. So I got in here. I think I got in at like 30 something because I didn't take too much drawdown and it just shot up 43. So I think I was in at maybe 36, 36 maybe because I needed 8 points and then it fell short as fucking usual. And that's just something else. It's just like it's interesting how the amount I need is usually the amount that it like where the market falls short. It's like, I mean, what are the odds of that? I needed 8 points and I think it fell short at 7. And I damn near had a perfect entry. So it wasn't like I left like 2. I may have left 1 point on the table, maybe, or a couple of ticks, half a tick or some shit like that on the table. And then it shoots up and then it drops, and then it pops back up and hits it the second time instead of doing it the damn first time. And it's like, man, what are the odds of that? It just seems like everything just lined up. And maybe I even conspired against myself for that shit to happen. That's how it feels. That's what I'm trying to wrap my mind around. It's just this. I don't know, man. I don't, I don't. And there goes that drop on the Nasdaq. There goes that drop. And this is something else with the Nasdaq too, because this is why I don't want to trade the Nasdaq because of this. I was in this at 950, and if I had my target to retest these lows down here, it took it almost an hour to do so. Hmm. I don't know, man. Nasdaq will make you feel like you're wrong just for it to do some shit like this. So definitely make you feel you're wrong because I was in this shit short. I would have stayed in this short if I was trading smaller size. So, well, actually, I got my target hit anyway. But y'all saw that it took all this just to get to 36 points down here. And then it pulls back. And then that's where we get the clean drop. 505. It's about like 75 points, 80 points. All right, man. Okay. But all right, guys, that's it for me. I hate these red days. Well, I hate these blow up days. I really do because it just really throws me off. I'm very disappointed in my performance, and that usually carries on throughout the day. I don't feel I don't feel like myself afterwards. I feel like mm, I don't know because I don't want to use certain words that aren't true. Uh, I'm I'm not losing confidence. I don't think I'm a bad trader, but it's just like, man, what the hell? Like, why is it with this crazy price action when I just needed to be normal? So I just feel more attacked than anything. And obviously, once that happens, I just blow up and take it out on my accounts. That's what I'm disappointed in. It's just whenever I just go past that tilt moment, it's like, well, I mean, I don't care if these accounts die. If they die, they die. I start to oversize, and that's just a habit. And mm, and it just seems like, well, when I start to oversize, then the same trades that I would usually take, they don't work. Or maybe I just want it to work. And then the NASDAQ will stop me out, or whichever product I'm trading will stop me out. And then it moves just enough to stop me out and then goes in my direction. And that's just adds the fuel to the fire. And it becomes frustrating. It just seems like nothing wants to work. Nothing wants to work. And then I get into the sim and oh shit, now I'm at 45, 5K. And then that gold trade earlier, as soon as I hit the daily loss limit in that account, the gold position started to work. Nah, man, like I said, I just feel attacked because that gold trade was struggling until I hit the daily loss limit on that account, and then it hits all of my targets. Mm. So, whatever, man. The price action wants to work when the accounts are gone and you're trading in the sim. Mm. Oh shit. I didn't even realize that. I did not realize that. Okay. I didn't realize that. I know why we bounced at 380. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm just now noticing that. I'm just now noticing that we bounced at 380. Wow. Wow. Just now noticing that we bounced at 380. And I was looking at 380 yesterday. Damn. 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 Yeah, Alfred, man, yeah. Man, that shit is that's so frustrating, dude. That is frustrating. That is frustrating, man. Super frustrating. Man, I can't believe that, man. I literally was looking and talking about 380. It actually hits 380. I was so on tilt that I didn't notice it and fought against it. I didn't notice, and it hits 380 perfectly. I don't know, man. That's why I feel attacked. Is because why did I blind myself from this? Why did I blind myself from this? And you see what I'm talking about with these perfect entries and shit? But all right, guys, that's it for me tonight. I'm just gonna think about what happened today. I really don't know outside of my trading what the change is. I guess what I have to change is the when I get into situations like these, I have to take a deep breath. But with my personality type, I mean that's literally equivalent to somebody taking something from me and I'm being okay with that. And I don't think that that's ever going to happen. I just don't think that that's ever going to happen. And so I have to find compromises. I have to find ways to kind of to get over this type of stuff. But my ego will never allow somebody to take anything from me, and I'm just not going to do anything about it, even if it costs me everything. That's just how that shit is, man. But all right, guys, we'll come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.